The long bone in your hip right here is called a femur, and it ends up with a round ball, and that round ball goes into a hole in your hip, your pelvis. That's called the acetabulum, and that socket is filled with material that cushions that rotation that you use every time you walk down the street. Normally, that cushion lasts for a lifetime, but because of arthritis and because of some people get injured in sports, they suffer an injury to the lining of the acetabulum, the part that's in the pelvis. And the most common way that an orthopedic surgeon who does this type of operation fixes that problem is by cutting off the femur about 6 or 8 inches down, and then they drill down into the bone and they put down a part that replaces the part they've removed. It's made out of metal. They now drill out the acetabulum, which is this cup like this. They take all that surface out, and they put a piece of plastic, and in this case metal. They put metal in there, and they cement that in. And then they put the two together, and they rotate against each other so that you don't have bone on bone anymore. You have metal on metal, but you don't have any nerve fibers anymore because you've removed all that surface. So that should eliminate the pain. But the problem with metal on metal is that we found out that as this begins to be used over a year or two, metal begins to grind off, and it migrates into other parts of the body, and then you don't have a smooth surface anymore. It can also become loose. And when that happens, it's not useful anymore. Contact our lawyers at 305-476-7400 or contact our website at colson.com for more information.